Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Everybody's Looking for Tomatoes. Today is another mukbang, and I am doing a sashimi assortment, a medium-sized one. And the ingredients is tuna, salmon, whitefish, shrimp, crab, leg, eel, sesame oil, red pepper, mayonnaise, green leaf, ginger, daikon radish, and wasabi. So yeah, that's how it look. I bought it at H Mart, like my favorite supermarket when I'm coming back from work. And right here we have seaweed salad and kimchi. Can't forget about the kimchi. Now, quite frankly, I've never had sashimi itself. I've never had it. So I didn't know if I should dip it in soy sauce. So there was this sauce right here called sashimi soy sauce. So I bought it. It was nearly like $4, like $3.99, I think. So pour some here. Okay. And then some less sodium soy sauce, which I don't know, soy sauce is salty anyways. So, but I guess you won't have the guilt. And they kind of look the same. So that's what it is. That's soy sauce. This has good flavor. So anyways, you get a bit of this kimchi. They were running out of kimchi. The supermarket was so packed with people. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope everybody travels safe to your destinations and travel safe back home. Please get an Uber. Don't drink and drive. It's not worth it. Nowadays, it's really not worth drinking and driving. Especially in New York, it's zero tolerance. But anywhere in the world, do not drink and drive. Take an Uber, take a taxi, take transportation, or stay at your destination's place overnight and sober up. But please, do not drink and drive, all right? I hope everybody is completing their 2018 and looking forward to 2019. I know I am. 2018 has woken me up tremendously in the sense that I am reevaluating myself, and I'm trying to get into my creative side. I've been exhausted and tired and fed up with a lot of things career-wise. I want to venture out and meet new people. I've also 2018 I've been I love kimchi. I've been cleansing a lot. I've been cleansing a lot. Let me put some wasabi in the soy sauce. I've been cleansing my social media. I want to start fresh. I want to get into this YouTube, thing. Right now I'm starting with mukbangs, but this channel, Everybody's Looking for Tomatoes, is basically, if you look up the meaning of tomatoes, It depends on which content you're looking up in, but basically tomatoes, if you dream about regular tomatoes, it means happiness, harmony, and contentment in your current state in your life. And I am happy in my personal life and content, but I want to venture out more and really look forward to, you know, a lot of things that I have in my mind that I want to do. Anyways, let's get into this. You know what? Try the salmon. I don't know. This one looked fresher than any other one. Oh, shoot. Ah! It fell. Interesting. I don't know if you eat this. Do you eat this? That was very interesting. Like, some people have said it tastes like butter. Really didn't taste much. Okay. So I had the salmon. I'm trying to cheat. The salmon, I guess this is tuna. Oh, God. It fell in there. Ooh, that's interesting. Yeah, that was definitely tuna. I have H2O water. With ice. That's definitely tuna. I mean, it's not bad. But all right, so whitening. And what is this? It says crab leg. This is crab leg. This cost like $14.99, and I was looking for sushi, like, you know, different sushis. They didn't have it. They had this as they had this as displayed, but I don't know if it was too early and it wasn't lunchtime yet. But I guess this is crab leg. This is tuna, salmon. That's crab leg. Is it eel? Eel? No. It's like everything is so fresh and clean. I guess they really want people to buy this. Sesame salad. So yeah. Oh, spicy. All right. So I don't know if you eat these. Yeah. There's a radish. Okay. Ginger. Oh, I love it. It's a lot of ginger. I guess it goes with the. Put it. This, and I guess I'll put some with soy sauce and wasabi. Okay. Gives it some flavor. Definitely. Ginger, this. Oh. I've seen like people eat this, but what do you wrap it? What do you wrap with this? Smells minty. Green leaf. Well, the big dab of wasabi. So I guess we put some there. Okay, put some here, put some here. Make it all creamy. So yeah, well, I hope everybody has a good new year, a safe new year. Have fun. Unlike myself, I'm going to work. So this is basically my dinner before I go to bed because I work at night. So I work at night. So this is my comida. This is mi comida. So slippery. Now I see why people like this tuna. Like, it has that avocado buttery taste. Real good. I mean, I don't want to be disrespectful because this is my first time. I've never had this. And I really want a sushi, but I already did a mukbang with Korean sushi. So I saw this, I'm like, oh, chef special. Why not? I was thinking of doing a seafood boil, but I'll do that on my day off because I'm exhausted. I've been up since yesterday. Since 6 o'clock yesterday. 7 o'clock. So I'm tired. And tonight is my last day of the week to work. Then I got 2 days off and then I go back to work. So I was like, you know what? Let me eat something at home that's fancy. This is fancy. Spent a whole $15 on it. And see what this is about. And now I know. But it's something different. Would I do it again? I don't know. Most likely not. Oh, that kimchi. Delicious. Whew. So, should I do it again? I don't know. I gotta think about it. See, I have to poke it because it's so slippery. It is so slippery. But it's good. That's really good. I don't even know what the hell this is. But it's crunchy. But yeah, I'm looking forward to 2019. I want to grow with this channel. I want to do story time. I want to do story time, but I think I'm gonna call it wine time and story time, or coffee and rant. That's probably two different things. Vlogging, I want to do that, like my daily life of a full-time working mom, night shift full-time working mom, dealing with the daily struggles of having a child, planning on having more children, how much of a support a husband is to a full-time working mother or wife. What else? What other topics? Travel vlogs. Definitely 2019 is gonna be the beginning of my little family and I traveling. Definitely. You know, like, you have family. Like, at my family, I have a Puerto Rican family. I have a Colombian family because I'm half Puerto Rican and Colombian. My husband is Puerto Rican, but he's more like the Americanized Puerto Rican. Like, his family's here in New York. So, I mean, so is my family, but my family's more into their like culture. So, you know, when I was a younger girl, holidays was very family orientated. Like, we were all get together. Even though we didn't see each other, we got together on holidays. And 2 years ago, while I was pregnant, I was trying to do that, but I was trying to do that more so with his family. And I don't know what happened that night that a lot of people never showed up, and people that did show up ate and left. I guess they had other businesses or other places to go and they didn't want to say nothing. I don't really go around my family because I don't really talk to my Colombian side of the family like that. Only the ones that are still remaining in Colombia, but the ones here, no. And then my family here, I don't talk to. So basically it's just me, my husband, my daughter, my mom, my dad, my brother, you know, it's just us, you know. And I want to be family. I want to become that rock, but I don't think I can right now because, you know, I do work full time. My schedule is here and there. But being that I've seen so many disappointments within like family is like selfish nowadays. You know, you can't say nothing because they take shit personally. You know, it's like whatever happened to the rocks of our family that were blunt as fuck and insulted you and told you what it is in front of your face, but still held it down and made everybody come together. Like, where did that generation go to? Now that I have a kid, I want to do that. When I was younger, I didn't care for it because I was trying to find myself. But now with a husband and a child, like, I want to be family orientated. I've always was, but now it's like I have a family. I want this. I want to be happy. I want to be united with all our family and get along and have fun and party. But I don't see that these days. You know, everybody's so selfish, up to themselves. You know, it takes a village to raise a child, and I was looking forward to that village that raised me to raise my child. I don't see that anymore. So I told myself and I told my husband, from now on, we are traveling. We are traveling the world. We are, you know, going to become more worldly. I want my daughter to be worldly. I want us to be open-minded to different things, to different cultures, to different, you know, stuff like that. And I want that, not just for me, but I want it for my daughter, because she has all the right to grow up in this world and see the world, you know, for what it is. And those are my plans, you know, starting 2019. And I hope all of you stick with me, you know, and follow me in my journey, our journey into this new chapter, this new mindset, this new forthcoming of our future, you know, endeavors. Like, you know, I'm gonna be open with you guys, and I want you guys to be my new family. I want a new family. I want more family, you know. We may not be blood family, but we're family, you know, under the higher power, whoever that is. It don't matter what religion, what culture, where you come from. We are one energy, and that's why we're here. And I want you guys to be part of our family. Anyways, this video is already 24 minutes long, and I haven't even finished, but I don't want to keep talking because, yeah, it's cutting short. I mean, it's getting too long. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Well, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Ring that post notification bell button for future videos. If you like this video, thumbs it up. If you liked it, if you did thumbs it up, try to share it. And comment down below if you want to know anything about me and my family, you know. But anyways, till next time. Alrighty. Bye, guys. Love you.